Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust the sound volume on your MacBook Air M5. One way to do that, the visual one, is by navigating to the control center in the top right corner of your device's screen and adjusting the sound level by moving the sound bar here. We can also adjust the output source for our device by clicking the arrow icon and selecting whether we want to use MacBook speakers or headphones if you have them connected, or also other devices that use the same account. So just move this bar to the right to increase the sound volume, or to the left to decrease it. Or alternatively use your shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts. F11 will increase the sound volume, F12 will increase, F11 will decrease, F12 will increase, and F10 will mute or unmute your sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.